Thumbtack charges pros for leads before you win the job, and that one detail changes how profitable the platform is. By the end of this, you'll know how Thumbtack actually works in 2026, what it costs, where people lose money, and whether it makes sense for your business. Here's the short answer first. Thumbtack can work, but only if your average job value is high enough to absorb lead costs. The setup is simple. You create a business profile, list your services, set your service area, and Thumbtack matches you with customers. When a customer contacts you directly or your profile gets selected, you usually pay for that lead. That means you're spending before getting paid. This matters because lead pricing changes by industry. A house cleaning lead costs less than a full bathroom remodel lead, because the potential contract value is smaller. Thumbtack doesn't use one flat fee. Here's where it works. If your average ticket is $500 or more, paying for leads can make sense. A $30 or $40 lead that turns into a $500 job is workable. A $30 lead for a $70 job usually isn't. That's the first filter. Second is conversion rate. If you close 1 out of every 5 leads, your acquisition cost is spread across multiple jobs. If you close 1 out of 20, your margins disappear fast. That's why response speed matters. Thumbtack rewards active pros. Faster replies improve visibility, and better visibility usually means more direct leads. Direct leads are stronger because the customer already chose you. Your profile also matters more than people think. Good photos, verified licenses, clear pricing, and recent reviews affect trust immediately. If your profile looks incomplete, customers compare and move on. Now, the downside. Refunds aren't guaranteed. If a lead goes cold or sends incomplete info, you may still pay unless it fits Thumbtack's refund policy. That's where many pros get frustrated. You also compete hard in crowded categories like cleaning, handyman work, and moving. More competition usually means lower close rates. So is Thumbtack worth it? Yes, if you sell high-value services, respond fast, and track your lead-to-sale ratio. No. If your jobs are low-ticket, or your margins are already thin. Simple breakdown. High-ticket services do better. Fast replies win more jobs, and bad lead management burns cash. The practical next step is easy. Run Thumbtack for 30 days. Track every lead, track every close, and calculate your cost per customer. That tells you more than any review. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more platform breakdowns like this.